Have you ever wondered how to precisely advertise through email? Do you often wonder which program is efficient in email autoresponders? Have you found yourself frequently thinking if you have proper knowledge of the essentials of internet marketing? If yes, then you have landed on the right video. Welcome back to another episode of Colorful Finance, the #1 source for content centered around earning money from home. We provide you with theoretical experience in our videos and practical experience with the tools we provide you in the description. Subscribe to the channel so you're always up to date with our latest uploads. In this video, we'll take you through everything you need to know about precise advertising through email. Now let's get into it. During an email campaign addressed to your clients, members, or mailing list subscribers, it is also necessary to monitor it and know when your emails are actually read. The Email Marketing Use and Trends Report, H1 2004, created upon the information collected from the mailer's 70 million clients, proved the following. 1. Email checking. The same day you send the email, this is when most of your targeted audience, 80%, will receive and read your email. 95% of your target audience will receive and read your email after 6 days of delivery. 2. Failed email. Sending out an email can fail when one of your subscribers changed his/hers email address without letting you know if the email is marked as spam, if the email server of one of your subscribers, is not responding, or if it's offline. A recent study proved that the failure rate when sending the first 5 emails to your subscribers is 6.6%. After you delete the invalid email addresses from your mailing list, the failure rate went down to 3.9%. Sending an email to government institutions will have a smaller failure rate, 2.41%, e-commerce companies, 3.8%, and real estate agencies, 4.19%. 3. Opening and viewing the email. It is already known and proven that sending an email to government institutions, telecommunication companies, e-commerce companies, and real estate agencies has the highest receiving and reading rate. Most of them receive and read your email within the first 48 hours. Also, emails sent on Mondays have a bigger receiving and reading rate compared to the other days of the week. 4. Link clicking. Emails containing links were accessed in a proportion of 4.27%. Even if a small number of emails are sent during the weekend, the ones that were sent on Saturday, 5.11%, and the ones sent on Sunday, 5.54%, were received and read more often than those sent during the week. At the same time, emails with a personalized subject were opened and read by more people than those that just had personalized content or those that were not personalized at all. Be smart when sending out emails. Creating and maintaining a mailing list can be a very effective tool that you can use when running a website or an online business. How to use email automatic responders. An email automatic responder or autoresponder is the second most important marketing tool I have to make money online. The first would be my hosting company. Without these two tools, my internet marketing business is dead in the water. In the world of internet marketing, millions of sites are fiercely competing with each other to gain new clients. For any e-commerce site to succeed, it must capture the interest and the trust of its visitors. It is not enough that your site is perfectly designed or has the latest in the animation of content. You should focus your efforts not only on attracting visitors but also on leading them to make a purchase. There are dozens of marketing strategies you can use to attract more buyers and pump up your sales. One of them is by establishing an excellent and professional reputation for prompt and efficient response. As more potential customers visit your site, you should expect a flood of inquiries and requests for information. This is an excellent opportunity for you to capture more clients and lead them to buy from your site. Thus, it is important that you carry out an efficient and prompt response to every email you receive. The fastest and most effective way to do this is by utilizing an email automatic responder. Autoresponder services use a computer program that automatically returns a pre-written message to anyone who sends an email to your site. It is widely used for responding to consumer inquiries and visitor comments and suggestions. Follow-up automatic responders are also used by e-zines in responding to people who subscribe or unsubscribe to their online magazines. Companies that send out their e-newsletter regularly also use autoresponders. How can effective autoresponder services help boost your business? The answer lies in its ability to return a prompt response to any email the site receives. By responding rapidly and efficiently, you create a very good impression on your potential customer. Good email autoresponders help you get important information back to these customers immediately. An effective autoresponder service helps you communicate your message promptly, creating a sense of professionalism and efficiency that your clients will definitely appreciate. Another very important advantage of email automatic responders is that it saves time with multiple marketing tasks. Certainly, you do not have enough time to personally make and send all correspondence. Autoresponder services allow you to send thank you letters, newsletters, product information, brochures, orders, etc. to hundreds of clients almost immediately and simultaneously. Autoresponder services are also indispensable in any email marketing campaign. Choosing the right autoresponder is very important. What makes the best automatic responder? First, you should pick an autoresponder that is reliable and can give you 24/7 service. You cannot afford to lose a customer because your autoresponder failed to answer his query or request for information. The ability to respond promptly is the first thing you must look for in any automatic responder. Another key factor you should consider when choosing autoresponder services is flexibility. Good autoresponders allow you to customize unique responses that will have maximum effect on the customer. You should avoid creating an impression that the customer is communicating with a machine instead of a real human being. An excellent email automatic responder lets you provide the information that is specifically targeted for what the potential customers are looking for. Because any email from potential customers essentially represents the customer's intent on getting more information about your product, which can ultimately lead to direct sales, all emails are important. Thus, a top autoresponder service must fulfill all these duties to help you boost your business. For all of our autoresponder needs, we prefer 𝐦𝐤𝐤. They are very reasonably priced and have proved to be reliable and easy to use. Top 2 essentials for successful internet marketing. You want to be successful in internet marketing, right? Then read along to find out the 2 most important things you need to have success online. The most important thing to remember when you first begin internet marketing is to build a list. What I mean when I say this is you must have some way of capturing the email addresses of those who come to visit your site. This is very possible to do. All you need to do is set up an autoresponder account. How it works is when a visitor comes to your site, they see your sign-up form, put in their name and email, or whatever information you are asking for, and then they get an instant response email from you saying welcome or thanks for signing up for blank. This way you have captured the email address for future emails you send out to promote your website/products, etc. Since your visitor willingly gave their name and/or email address to you, any further emails sent won't be seen as spam. This is important because spam sucks, and anyone who gets a bunch of spam is never a happy camper. Also, you should always include a removal link at the end of your emails to give them the option to remove themselves from your mailing list. I have personally found it annoying when I can't find a removal link in an email. And I keep getting them sent to me. Be professional in everything you do. Another essential for internet marketing online is your own website. Now, when I say essential, I don't mean you absolutely have to have a website, but it is very highly recommended. The reason for this is because it is your space to sell your products/services. It is your virtual real estate. You own this website and you can create it in any way you like. You can also create your own website address that no one else has. Make it something easy to remember to keep those visitors coming back for more. Making a website isn't hard to do. It just takes a little time on your part, but in the end, you will be very happy you did. So go out and build that website and get that autoresponder account. It is guaranteed that without these 2 essentials you will not have the success you could have with them. And with that, we've reached the end of this video all about precise advertising through email. Let us know in the comments section down below if you enjoyed this episode and found it helpful and interesting. Remember to leave a thumbs up before you leave. Also subscribe to Colorful Finance and click the notification bell, so you're always up to date with our latest releases as always. Thanks for stopping by and watching. See you again soon in the next one.